Hey guys, what's up, LB Trader here again. As you can see, another losing trade. Not too sure what's happening, right? This particular price action happened yesterday as well, you see. Let's just remove this, right? This happened. Now, it happened again today. So to be honest, I really don't know what's happening, but I'm just leaving it as it is. If I just take a look at the news, as you can see, there's only a 10:30 news, but this is a low impact news, right? So to be honest, I don't know what actually is happening. 8:30, there's a USD news. Let's see, 8:30. This is the news. Say this candle, not even as big as this, right? So a bit ridiculous, but whatever. It is what it is. Got stopped out both on my challenge and funded account. So let me take a quick look. Right, I'll show you my challenge. Right, history. You can see here. Right, history. Took a L again. Yesterday one L, today another L. Right, so it's a losing trade on both days. So just a quick recap on what happened. Alright, maybe it's because of this, right? What I'm thinking is this might be the problem. What's happening here is it seems like it's in the trending market. In the channel. Things are moving horizontally. Price action doesn't look that good. Same goes for here, right? Yesterday this also happened. This happened and then it broke. So if you take a look here, just based on these two price action, it might kind of make sense that I'm in the channel. Even if I take a trade here, it can't really go that high, right? This at the same time, if it's in the channel, now that we're talking about it, it's just bouncing up and down here. So I'll show it to you. So it's just going up like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then it came down again. So what's gonna happen? I guess it's gonna come out again lah. But so be it. This happened. Now that I know that this is happening, what I can do, actually, if you want, you can actually even consider this, right? We'll just do this to here. We'll do a Fibonacci. I think this is called retracement. Let me see here. What is this called? What is this? What is this? Right. This is a Fib retracement. You can use a Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, if it's ranging around this area here, maybe we should consider not taking any trade for today. Maybe this can be an additional confluence on my end, right? Channeling, I don't take a trade. Because currently what I do is I only have my entry criteria, which is if it's going, it has to be in a trending market. So if it's always making higher highs, higher lows, then I'll take only long setups. If it's making lower high, lower lows, then I'll take short setup, something like this, right? Then at the same time, for me, if I want to take a setup, by right, I'll look for candles, something like this, right? Stronger candles. So let's see, where are other potential candles that I can take a trade? Yes, this is the one. I will potentially also take this particular setup here. This one. This is a good entry candle in my opinion. Right? This looks good in my opinion as well. Because if you zoom in at this area here, you can see that okay, it's making a movement. Maybe on hindsight is a bit too small. It's not really a bullish candle per se, right? So yeah, maybe this might not be a proper trade, but so be it. I'm learning as I'm going. So yeah, maybe this might be my new confluence, whereby if it is in the ranging market, I can draw up the Fib retracement from the highs to the lows. If it's roughly around the middle, then that's where I might want to consider taking not taking a trade. If it's on the highest point here, I might consider taking a sell, and the bottom here maybe a buy, right? But of course, for me to take a buy, even this candle I wouldn't take a buy. But if it's this type of candle, this might be a potential. But then if I put my stop loss, maybe I might put it here, right? If I take this into consideration. Okay, so this is just a quick reflection on my end. Maybe maybe, yeah, maybe it's a wrong move for me to take this setup, but so be it, right? Sticking close to my rules. One trade a day since I make a loss. Now it's already 10:30 p.m. right? 18th of June. So today is let me see what day is it. It's a Wednesday if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a Wednesday. So Wednesday I lost another trade today. So be it. Okay. I think I'm just going to cut off the video early today. It's just 5 minutes into the video. I don't want to hold you back. But if you take a look real quick yesterday, even if let's say we took the setup, right? I put this here because I wanted to see what happened this particular price action here. I was saying technically you can take a setup here, but of course it didn't play out. Eventually it hit our stop loss at about when the market reopened on the next day. So market open, it closes at about 5 a.m. and opens at about 6 a.m. So there's a 1 hour break, right? So this is what happened. Okay, so no trade as well. That's why I don't take a re-entry trade. So over here when this happens, so be it. I'm not going to take another re-entry. Okay, so yep, that's just a quick recap for me today. Hope you liked the video. It's just a short one, just a quick reflection on my end. I'll do my journaling, right? Let's journal the trade. I think yesterday I didn't journal, so let's take a look. 13, today is I haven't been journaling for quite a while. 16, 17, 18. So let's see, 16. Did I take a trade on the 16th? Nope. Okay, 16 no trade. 17 is a loss. So 17 June 2005. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's a -1. Although I took a 2% trade, but it's still a -1 all in all. 18 June 2005. Okay, so now as you can see, based on the trade for the month of June, not looking good anymore. It's at 1.15%. In terms of win rate, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 losing trades out of 10, so my win rate now is about 40%, pretty low, right? But of course, if you take a look here, right, generally my wins are higher than what I lose. If I lose, maximum is only 1%. If not, it'll be like negative 0.15, 0.2, that kind of stuff. Okay, so yeah, so this is just me reminding myself that I should not take an entry. Re-entry, let's see, did I take a re-entry? Yes, I took a re-entry. So just a reminder to myself, don't take a re-entry. So if I take this into consideration, I also lose a trade lah. But this one I didn't take on the same account. I took on a different account. But yep, so that's all I have for you today. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, my views are growing. Hopefully I can be a next trading guru. But whatever lah. If it happens, it happens. I'm just trying to use this as another side of income, most likely. Okay, hope you liked the video. It's gonna be a long night. I'll be back tomorrow again for another trading recap. Okay, and anyone who is still in the trade, hope it turns out well for you. Hope it turns out as a winner, right? And that's all I have. Okay, good night. Bye bye.